Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. Just remember, if this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Cheers. Well guys, today we got a bit of a grubby one. This is my dad's Peugeot 308 estate. We use it as a workhorse to run our window cleaning and exterior cleaning business. So everything gets chucked in it. It's not washed, and if he does wash it, very rare, he uses washing up liquid. So I thought, why not? I'll treat it to a bit of TLC and see how we get on. As you know by now guys, we always start with the wheels, and here I'm just using Mild Deep's Citrus Pre-Wash and Autobrite's Very Cherry Non-Acidic Wheel Cleaner. As I start using this EZ barrel cleaning brush, you just watch the filth that it extracts and comes out of this wheel. Yuck. And while I'm using the chemicals to clean the wheels, I'm also using a variety of brushes. One would be the Viking Soft Bristle Face Brush, the Easy Go brush for the arches, and the EZ Wheel Barrel brush. A very good brush. I had this delivered last week and can't recommend it enough. And as you'll agree, what we had before to what we've got now is night and day. These wheels have come up very, very clean. So we move on to Mild Deep Release Citrus Pre-Wash Spray. Now this stuff guys, as I've mentioned many times before, is very, very good. I've mixed it as a dilution of 1:1 for heavy soiling, sprayed on the lower half of the car, and let it sit for a few minutes just to soften up all the road grime. So now it's time to rinse, and you can really see the jet wash getting rid of all this baked on road grime. As you would have noticed, I finger swipe both panels. So I'm just going to jet wash off the next panel which hasn't had the pre-wash applied. So now, as we finish rinsing off the pre-wash, we're getting ready for the snow foam stage. Today, I've gone back to Old Faithful, which is autobrite magifoam snow foam. So because conditions was perfect for cleaning the car, the sun wasn't out, it was just nice. I mixed the autobrite snow foam at 100 ml of product at 900 ml of water, then apply using probably the best snow foam lance I've ever used in my life, the MJJC lance, and I allow to dwell for up to 10 minutes, then rinsed off. I think I'm going to need some stronger elastic bands. So because I found this in the back of the shed and I've never used it, I thought I'd try this Infinity Wax off shampoo. My first impressions was it was very slick, foamed up really nice in the bucket. I also applied this via snow foam lance, but I didn't film it. And I found it done its job very well. I'll be using this again just to strip back the protection that's on my personal car, and just gonna give it a good test ready for a winter protection. So now the wash procedure's been done, I'm just going to go over with Sheen from Mile Deep. And if you've been hid under a rock and you haven't heard of Mile Deep, do yourself a favour. After you've watched this video, head over to their website and check it out. They've got some cracking deals on at the moment. But Sheen is just a instant gloss coating or drying aid. So you can apply it via snow foam lance like I have now, and then leave it to sit and then rinse off. So now we're just going to dry the car using my favourite drying towel, the Korean drying towel from Peugeot's race car. Absolutely love this thing. I'm still not bored of it. If any of you can recommend a better drying towel for me to use, drop it down in the comments below. So now we're on to cleaning the windows, and this by far is my all-time favourite glass cleaner. It goes on very, very well, buffs off, super nice, no streaking, and it just does a fantastic job. And also, if you have the soft 99 or glaco windscreen glass coating applied to your car, this acts as a topper or a booster just to maintain the hydrophobic coating. So now we're on to a cheeky little bit of tyre shine. I'm using Shiny Garage polymer base black to black. Really nice, goes on nice and slick, gives a good finish. I always dullen it down with a microfiber cloth, take off the excess, and it has a lovely smell of cola bottles. Really like this, and you will see me use this regular in videos up and coming and previous. So while we're still finding products hidden in the shed, I thought I'd try this limited edition quick detailing spray from Infinity Wax. Now this stuff goes on very, very nice, buffs off, lovely, smells absolutely gorgeous, and the water beading is phenomenal. Fair play, I'll be using this more and more often. So guys, if you've used any of these products as featured in this video today, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of them. So guys, as you'll agree, it's a proper night and day difference in how this car was to how it is now. My dad was super happy with it. I even done a little bit of the interior, but I didn't film it. And I'd just like to say a massive thank you for you guys that's watching, that's commenting and liking. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.